Hi there, my name is Veena Prashant. I'm the co-founder of Digital Access Pass, a membership plugin for WordPress. Today I'm going to take you behind the scenes to show you something that people ask me often. When you have a membership site, say that you offer a lot of other products and courses from your membership site. And you also have membership offer where when users sign up for your monthly membership or annual membership, you want to give them automatic access to all other products and courses that you have in your membership site. So they have the option of purchasing those products and those courses individually if they want. But if they sign up for membership, the benefit is they get access to all of the content, all of the other products and courses that you have for free. It's really easy to set this up in Dap. In fact, I do this myself on my membership site, lab site, where if you sign up for the annual membership offer, you will get access to all the courses and other products and services that I offer from my membership site. And I have set this up using Dap. And it's really easy to do this using Dap. Dap has a feature, we call it product chaining. And that's what you need to use to set this up. So now I'm going to take you behind the scenes to show you how you can set this up. So let's take a look. And before I start, just want to say that if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button if you're watching on YouTube. If you're not watching on YouTube, go to membershipsitelab.com/YouTube and hit the subscribe button. This way you will be the first to know when I publish new videos like this. All right, so now let me take you behind the scenes to show you how you can set this up. So this is the backend of Dap, and you can use Dap to create all kinds of products and services and online courses and challenges and memberships. So first I'm going to show you how you can create a membership offer in Dap, and then I'll show you how you can use the product chaining feature, and that's right here, how you can use the chaining feature to automatically give users access to anything you want when they sign up for your membership offer. All right, so let's take a look. So I'm going to click on memberships. It'll bring you to a page like this where you will find all of your membership offers. And you can see here it's organized products and memberships, free offers, group memberships, online courses, and challenges. So if you want to create a new membership offer, click on this. And here you can see all these options. If you want to create a membership, just click on this. If you want to create a digital product, you can click on this, online course, challenge, free product, trial membership, group membership. You can do all kinds of products and services using Dap. So I'm going to start with membership. I'm just going to call it gold membership, save. All right, so step 1, name and description. We have done that. You can upload an image for your membership. And billing and access, that's step number 2. This is a paid offer, and payment type is subscription. It's recurring. If you want to offer a free or paid trial, you can set this to yes. And you can set this up here, but I'm not going to offer any trial here. And subscription settings. So say that this is $50 a month and monthly membership. And total number of payments, is it unlimited or fixed? Say that this is going to be unlimited payments, $50 a month until cancellation. All right, save and next. Assign and protect content. So here you can protect anything that users get access to when they sign up for your membership offer. But say that you don't want to directly protect anything here, but you want to give them access to other products and services and online courses that you have. You can skip this step. You can just say save and next and go to the next step. And we'll go to the product chaining feature right here to set up the chaining rules to give access to other courses and products and services when they buy this membership. But say that you have some content that you want to directly protect under this membership offer, you can do that. You can click on this and you can select your existing content you want. You can select from here and you can make it part of your membership offer. Only users that sign up for the membership will be able to access this content. And say that you have a PDF file, zip file, something else that you want to make available as part of your membership offer. You can enter the full URL of the content that you want to protect. So if you have a zip file or PDF file, you can click on this to upload it to your site and it will get protected that way. All right, so the next step is email notifications. So you can see welcome email. This is the first email users are going to get when they sign up for your membership offer. So here you can let them know, thank you for signing up. And because you signed up for the membership offer, you will get access to all of these products and courses for free, as long as you stay subscribed to the membership. So whatever you want to let them know, be sure to make good use of the welcome email because this is the first email they're going to get when they sign up for your membership. So let them know clearly what to expect. So this is your domain name. So if you want to send them the URL of your login page, then you can replace it with just direct URL of your login page, something like this. The main thing is email and password. Make sure to send them their email and password so they can log into the membership and access the products and services and anything else that they get as part of your membership offer. All right. So everything is fully customizable here. If it's a double opt-in offer, this is a paid product, paid membership. So you don't want to make it a double opt-in. Now, admin notification. If you want to receive an email when someone signs up for your membership, then enter your email here, and DApp will send you an email whenever there is a new sign up. And external system notification, you can skip this. This is to connect this membership offer that you have with your email platform or any automation platform. You can always go to products, manage automations page to manage your automations, and you can always add it later. You don't have to do this when you're setting up your membership. So save and next. Here, autoresponder emails. So here, if you want to set up follow-up emails, say that you just use DApp for all your emails and you don't want to send it from an external platform, you want to send it all from DApp directly, then you can set up your emails in DApp email autoresponders page, and all the emails that you have set up there is going to show up here on the left side, and you can just say add to add it and make it part of your membership. So this one users will get on say day 4, then click on it and change the drip to day number 4. This way, when users sign up for your membership, DApp will send them this email on day 4 of their membership. Save and next. Rules tab. Make sure to enter your sales page URL where users can purchase membership. Error page, this is the page DApp will show them if they try to access content to which they don't have access. And if you have a page in WordPress, a custom page in WordPress, and you want to send them there, when they try to access stuff to which they don't have access, you can create a page in WordPress, for example. You can enter relative URL or full URL of that page where you want DApp to redirect if they try to access content to which they don't have access. Now redirect, where do you want to send users when they try to access this product or this membership? So say that you have a specific page, you want to send them when they sign up for the membership, when they log in, you want to send them to that page. Enter the URL of that page. And if you don't have one, you can just send them to your dashboard page. So that's what I have done here. I've created a dashboard page and I send users here. Now you can create a dashboard page in DApp products member pages. So membership setup is complete. Now I'm going to go ahead and set up the chaining rules. So you can go here to the chaining page, and here you can say, click on this, and you can say if a user is added to the membership offer, right? So gold membership, also give them access to. So you can select all the products or courses that they should get access to when they sign up for membership. So say that if they sign up for gold membership, I want to give them access to this product. So I'm going to select this here. And if you want to send a welcome email from this product as well, in addition to the welcome email that they get from the gold membership, you can do that. But if you don't want to send multiple emails, because every time you chain it, they sign up for the main membership offer and they get access to all of these bonus products, you probably don't want to send them like 10 different welcome emails, right? So you can turn this off here and you can say, if they get access to this product, do not send the welcome email from the chained product. It will still send it from the main one, from the membership offer, which is why when you're writing your welcome email for the main offer, make sure to let them know what to expect. Let them know what are the products or courses they are getting access to as part of the membership. And when should their access to the chained product start? So you can say, I want the access to start on a specific date. Say that you want it to start 10 days from now. You can select this and you can say 10. The current date is the default, which means they will get instant access as soon as they sign up for your membership offer. So create the rule. And you can see here, now it says, if users get access to gold membership, give them access to this additional target product, and their access should start immediately, right? And welcome email, I don't want to send a welcome email from this product because the gold membership welcome email has all the information for them. So they don't need to get 10 different emails from 10 different products that they get access to. So this is the first one, right? So say that I want to give them access to another product and say that this is the name of the product to which I want to give them access when they sign up for gold membership. So you can select a different product and click on create rule. So now you can see the new rule says if they get gold membership, give them access to both this and this, right? So you can create as many chaining rules as you want. And now we have to set up remove rules. That's important because if they lose access, they cancel their subscription, you want them to lose access, right? So you can say if a user is removed from gold membership, and they will be removed from gold membership if they cancel their subscription or the payment does not come in and their access expires. So if a user is removed from gold membership, also remove their access to this product. So you can set up rules here and let DApp know what are the products to which they should lose access when they cancel their subscription. This is how you can set this up. And once you set up your membership, now say that you want to create payment buttons to sell your membership offer, right? So you created your membership offer, you have different courses, you have different challenges or digital products, digital downloads. You have a whole bunch of other products, courses, and services that you want to give them access to for free when they sign up for membership, but you also want to allow them to purchase those products and services individually. So all you have to do next is create payment buttons for each one of those. You can use our plugin, Smart Pay Card, which is made for dApp, and it will allow you to create different payment buttons. So you can go to the Buy Now buttons page and you can set up different payment buttons. It's a plugin made for dApp, so it will let you select the product name for which you want to create the button. So if it's a membership offer, select the membership there, and it will create the button for you. And you can publish the payment button on your sales page to allow users to purchase membership. When they purchase the membership, dApp will give them access to all of these products based on your chaining rules. And if you want to create individual buttons for each one of your courses so they can purchase it individually, that's up to you. And you can do that too in Smart Pay Card, right? So go to the Buy Now buttons page and you can create payment buttons to sell those courses or products individually. And be sure to watch the Smart Pay Card Getting Started video, and you will find it here. And everything that you need to know in terms of how SPC works and how you can set up payment buttons is there, but it's pretty straightforward. It's a really easy to use shopping cart plugin made for dApp. In a future update of dApp, we'll make it even more easier to use, where the chaining rules will be part of the product creation process. So when you're creating your membership, you can set up the chaining rules right there. You don't have to go to the chaining page to set up the chaining rules. That's one thing we are going to work on soon. And another thing we'll do is, instead of having to set up individual rules, if you want to say when they sign up for membership, I want to give them access to all of these, and just check a box to say these are the products to which they should get access and these are the products to which they should lose access, you'll be able to do it with the click of a button. So all of this is coming soon, but what we already have is pretty easy to use and pretty easy to set up. My name is Veena Prashant. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back soon. Bye for now.